Apple has just launched its iPhone 16 Pro Max, bringing next-gen power and design into the spotlight with its September 2024 release. Meanwhile, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, released in January 2024, has already entered the ring with a game-changing 200 megapixels camera and an insanely vibrant display. With both phones pushing the boundaries of performance and innovation, which one delivers the ultimate experience in 2024? Stick around as we dive into their most exciting features, from camera prowess to raw processing power, and reveal which one stands out. First up, let's talk about design and build quality. The iPhone 16 Pro Max rocks a sleek titanium frame in classy colors like black, white, desert, and natural titanium. It's got that classic boxy Apple design, which some folks love for its elegance. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra sports a titanium frame as well, but with curved edges for a more comfortable grip. It comes in titanium black, gray, violet, and even more vibrant options like blue and green. So, if you're into sleek and lightweight phones, go for the iPhone. But if you prefer a larger display and a comfy hold, the S24 Ultra is your go-to. Now, let's move on to the display game. The iPhone 16 Pro Max flaunts a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display with OLED tech and a peak brightness of 2,400 nits. On the flip side, the Galaxy S24 Ultra rocks a 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. Both offer fantastic visuals, but the S24 Ultra wins with its curved edges for a more immersive viewing experience. However, if you prefer flat screens and color accuracy, the iPhone might be your cup of tea. When it comes to performance and chipset, both these beasts are powered by top-tier processors. The iPhone 16 Pro Max runs on the A18 Pro chip, built on a 3nm process, allowing for faster and more efficient performance. A standout feature is Apple Intelligence Private Cloud Compute, which leverages cloud processing while maintaining data privacy, enabling seamless AI tasks like photo enhancements, speech recognition, and AR without compromising user security. Additionally, Apple's GPU for gaming has seen significant upgrades with a 16-core architecture, offering console-quality gaming with ray tracing support for lifelike graphics. The iPhone's GPU ensures smooth performance, while the iPhone's thermal design keeps things cool. On the other side, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra features a powerful NPU for efficient AI processing, paired with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and 12-core Adreno GPU. It supports HDR gaming, 144Hz refresh rates, and enhanced CPU and GPU performance for a seamless, high-quality gaming experience. The S24 Ultra is optimized for mobile gaming, particularly in multiplayer environments, thanks to Samsung's Game Booster, which manages performance and temperature dynamically during long sessions. Now, onto everyone's favorite topic, cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro Max houses a triple camera system. The 48 megapixels Fusion camera ensures fast and efficient data transfer for every shot, while the 48 megapixels ultra-wide camera offers high-resolution images with autofocus. Combined with the 12 megapixels 5x telephoto camera, it delivers versatile, high-quality photography. Additionally, the iPhone's camera control button is a game-changer for professional photographers, offering real-time control over camera settings without needing to dive into the software. Plus, the new ProRAW and ProRes capabilities allow for up to 4K at 120 frames per second recording, making it ideal for both content creators and filmmakers. The iPhone's photo library search feature also enables users to search for images using natural language descriptions, like typing beach sunset or mountain hike to quickly locate photos. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra sports an even more impressive 200 megapixels primary camera, which uses pixel binning technology to combine multiple pixels into one, resulting in sharper, brighter images, even in low-light conditions. It also features 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera for expansive shots with great color reproduction. a 200 megapixels wide-angle lens for ultra-high resolution and detailed shots with 2x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixels lens offering 5x and 10x optical zoom for versatile clarity. 10 megapixels telephoto lens with 3x zoom enhancing depth of field portrait shots. The S24 Ultra's AI-driven night mode and Super HDR make it an exceptional choice for capturing images in challenging lighting conditions. Moreover, Samsung's Bixby Vision enhances the camera experience by allowing users to search for products, landmarks, and text directly within photos, offering seamless shopping, translation, and identification features. Along with the new internal design and advanced power management of iOS 18, the iPhone 16 Pro Max's larger batteries are optimized to offer a huge leap in battery life, making it more efficient than ever. It supports 30-watt wired fast charging and MagSafe wireless charging, promising a full day of heavy use without compromising performance. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra rocks a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging, providing faster recharge times than the iPhone. Lastly, let's talk about software and ecosystem. The iPhone 16 Pro Max runs on iOS 18, bringing tighter integration with Apple's ecosystem. With enhanced Siri-powered automation, cross-device continuity, and iCloud Private Relay, it offers a seamless experience for users within the Apple environment. Features like live widgets and interactive home screen elements make iOS 18 more versatile and user-friendly than ever, while privacy and security remain top priorities. On the flip side, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra runs on One UI 6 based on Android 14, offering more customization options. Samsung's DeX mode allows users to turn their phone into a desktop-like experience, making it ideal for those who want to use their phone for productivity tasks. If you're a fan of multitasking and a customizable user experience, the S24 Ultra might be the better fit. In conclusion, both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are powerhouses in their own right. It all boils down to your personal preferences and needs. Whether you value sleek design, top-notch display, powerful performance, stunning cameras with intelligent image search features, long-lasting battery, or seamless ecosystem integration, there's a phone for you. So, take your pick and enjoy the tech goodness of 2024. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Don't forget to ring the bell icon for updates. See you in the next video.